Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garages videos. And I just want to show you my final on the 2.5 ton truck. Um, I modified it because it was missing a lot of pieces, like the frame, the center roof that goes over the cab. So I modified the cab. Added a steering wheel since it was missing one. What else can I say here? Also, I dirtied it up, and I was surprised that 51-year-old decals actually worked on this kit. And it was a very unusual build. Everything went together good, of the parts I had. Where the spare tire hanger is, I actually had to make my own mount for that. So, and the gas tank, I actually cemented to the top and bottom of the bed, so that would be line up right. Light weathering it, and got a little dirty. So that's the final on the 2.5 ton truck by Monogram. This is originally a 1972 kit. Yeah, let me show you. This is a 1972 kit, and it is no longer in production, apparently, what I found out. So, and just thought I'd show you. Alright, and thanks for watching Doug's Model Garage videos. And I look forward to seeing you guys again. And without my my subscribers and viewers, I wouldn't have a channel. Thanks. Bye.